Sir, your mute, sir.
Just I'm discussing yesterday's last problem. Here b to the power n into 1. So, here common ratio is if you multiply it by b by a, you will get it. Multiplied by b by a, you will get it. And number of terms will be starting from a to the power n to a to the power 0. Number of terms is obviously n plus 1. So this is a GP with these three parameters known. We can find the sum. Sum of n plus 1 terms. A1, a to the power n, 1 minus r, b by a to the power n plus 1, divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so obviously it is take LCM. By a minus b. Okay, e to the power n plus 1 LCM, e to the power n, e to the power n plus 1, 1a here. Get cancelled. Final answer is a to the power n plus 1 minus b to the power n plus 1. Now next topic is permutations and combinations. Most interesting topic. Shall I rub it?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please, sir. 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. Complete.
Arrangement, meaning is arrangement. Okay, combination means selection. And the other name of permutation combination means how to count without counting. How to count without counting. The meaning is same. Now, arrangement. What is the meaning of arrangement? यहीं पे लिखता हूँ. With A, B, C, three distinct objects. We have three objects A, B, C. These are distinct objects. Number of ways of arranging these three objects, taking two at a time. Number of ways of arrangements of these three objects. Taking two at a time. Is at a time we have to take two. This is AB, one arrangement, BA, BC, CB, AC, CA. Taking two at a time. This is one object, this is other object. This is one arrangement. AB is one arrangement, BA is other arrangement. We are arranging it in a row. This is the meaning of arrangements of three objects taking two at a time. How many ways? Total number of ways is 6. Is 6. This is one way, second way, third way, fourth way, fifth way, sixth way. Okay. This is the meaning of arrangement. Suppose we have three objects, four objects. At a time we'll take two, at a time we'll take three, or at a time we can take all. So if we take at a time all, what will be the arrangements?
A, B, C,
Like that?
C, B, A,
Number of ways of arranging them.
taking all at a time.
Of course, in a row. Taking all three at a time. At a time. ABC, ACB, BCA, BAC, CAB, CBA. 6 ways. This is the meaning of arranging three objects in a row, taking two at a time, taking three at a time. Like that, we can have 4 objects, we can have 5 objects, we can have 10 objects, n objects. So we will discuss later. First, you just come to know that what is the meaning of arrangement taking two at a time, what is the meaning of arrangement taking all three at a time. So number of ways is 6. Okay. Just I told you what is the meaning of permutations. This is permutations taking 2 at a time out of 3. Permutations taking all 3 at a time. Now selection also I will give you the meaning. What is the meaning of selection? Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir. Complete.
You write from here. In place of arrangement, you write selection. Combination. ABC, 3 distinct objects, number of ways of selecting. Number of ways of selecting 2 objects at a time. Out of these 3 objects. Taking 2 at a time. AB. See, in arrangement, AB and BA, these are different arrangements. But in selection, AB, BA, that is same selection. Just select 2 objects and put it in your pocket. Okay. So AB and BA, these are 2 different arrangements, but AB and BA, that is same selections. AB, AC, BC. 3 ways. Number of ways of selecting number of ways of selecting all 3 objects at a time. Is how many it will be? How many ways you can select all 3 at a time?
Only one.
Only one.
One.
Okay. So this is the meaning of permutations and combinations. Now, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Now, one is sum rule, other is product rule. These two rules, you just write it. Okay, just write. No need to understand what is the meaning of this language. I will explain it in my own way. Let A and B are two disjoint events. Disjoint means occur together. If A occurs in M ways, and B occurs in N ways, then A or B can occur in M plus N ways. Then A or B can occur in M plus N ways. Product rule. Let event X can be decomposed in two stages. Event X can be decomposed in two stages, A and B. Let stage A can occur stage A can occur in M ways. And stage B can occur in N ways. Regardless of the outcome of stage A. Then event X can occur event X can occur in M into N ways.
Sir, in product rule, after let event, what it is, sir?
Can be.
Where
Let event first line, sir.
that event X can be decomposed
Okay, sir.
in
Okay.
two stages,
Okay.
A and B. Just you write it, I will explain it geometrically.
Okay, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Done, sir.
First product rule. What is the meaning of this product rule? In the entire topic, these are only these two rules. There is not rule, that is the basic rule, simply product and sum. And there is no formula, nothing in this topic. That is the beauty of this topic. Simple logic we have to use. The meaning of product rule. Suppose this is event X. What is event? A person wants to reach from A to B, A to C. What is the event? A person wants to reach from A to C.
G.
This journey has been broken in two stages. First, he has to reach from A to B, then from B to C. So from A to B, in how many ways he can reach? Three ways. One way, second way, third way. Fourth way, B to C, two ways. Okay. First way, second way. So in how many ways he can reach from A to C? The work is he has to reach from A to C. Okay. So this is one way, one, two, first, three, first. A to B, three ways. B to C, only two ways. Sorry. Second, first, third, first. First, second, third, second. So in total, how many ways he can reach from A to C?
6.
Here, 6. So in product rule, this stage 1 can occur, can be done in how many ways? 3 ways. Stage 2 can be done in how many ways? 2 ways.
Two.
Total number of ways equal to 3 into 2. That is product rule. That is the meaning of product rule. Okay. So total number of ways equals 3 into 2 equal to 6 ways. So it is not always there ki it will be decomposed in stages. It can be decomposed in 3 stage, 4 stage, 5 stage. Okay. And all the time we can't count like this.
Yes, sir.
So we will see in how many ways the first stage 1 is occurring, in how many ways stage 2 is occurring, in how many ways stage 3 is occurring, and so on. And then finally multiply. That is product rule. Okay. So just in my own language, I am telling. No need to remember, mug up that product rule. What is the meaning in short? Suppose we want to do some job, some work. Okay, we want to do some work. Till the work complete, before that you just put into. That is product rule. A work has been decomposed in different stages. Okay, so till the work is complete, we will just put into region is this. All the time we can't.
Count.
So this is the product rule. First, what is X? What is the work? He has to reach from A to C. So till he reaches from A to C, before that, you just put into. This is the meaning of product rule. One has to reach from A to C. Write it. Reach from A to C. One has to reach from A to C. Okay. Now come to sum rule.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Done,
you
sir.
are muted.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Sum rule. Suppose A, B, B. A to B, three ways. B to D, two ways. A to C, two ways. C to D, take two ways. Okay. What is the job? One has to reach from A to D. Reach from A to D. Okay. Via B, this work can be done in two ways. Okay. One is via B, the other way is via C. Both are disjoint ways. So via B, number of ways. Equal to 3 into 2, 6
Yes,
ways.
sir. Product rule.
6 ways. This is product rule.
Yes, sir.
We have to reach here. Till we reach here, before that we'll put into sign. Product rule. Then via C, number of ways equals 2 into 2, 4 ways. Again product rule. Now total 6 plus 4. Here it is sum rule. 10 ways. Here it is sum rule. Once we have done the work in one way completely, after that, if we are doing the same job by some other way, in between we have to put plus. Okay. So remember two things. Just identify the work, what is to be done. Till the work completed, you just put into. Okay. So once the work is completed, after that, we are doing the same job by other way. Then you put plus. And then the other way, till the job complete, again into. That is the meaning of sum rule and product rule. This is sum rule. So combination will come later. First, I will discuss 1 or 2 days only permutation arrangement. Where shall I elaborate?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Come to that again 3 objects, taking 2 at a time. Number of arrangements. Of 3 distinct objects. Taking 2 at a time. ABC. Taking 2 at a time. Is see, like AB, BA means we have 2 places. We have 2 places. We have to fill up these places with A or B or C. Okay. So this place can be filled. For this place, how many options we have? 3. In this place, either A, we can put either A or B or C. So this place has how many options? 3. And the other place has how many options? Because out of these 3, one already has been kept here. So for this place, how many options we have?
Two.
Two. So total product rule 3 into 2. Total equal to 6 ways. Taking all three at a time.
That will also be 6.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Here, how many options we have? 3. Here, 2. Here, 1. That is 3 factorial equal to 6 ways. Okay. The same thing we have counted when I told you what is the meaning of arrangement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No? Directly without counting, we can find it. Now come to total number of 2-digit numbers. Total number of 2-digit numbers. See, we have the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Suppose I'm using one word, repetition is not allowed. What is the meaning of this? Is not allowed. Means we will not count the number like this. Number like this.
Yes, sir.
Here 2 digits has been repeated. This is the meaning. We will not count this kind of numbers. Meaning is this.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So now we have what are the options? 0, 1, 2 up to 9. And we have to fill up how many places? 2 places. 2-digit number. We have to fill up how many places? 2.
Yes, sir.
This place has how many options? If you put 0 here, it won't be a 2-digit number.
Yes, sir.
Will it be?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
So we can't put 0 here. So other than 0, how many numbers we are left with? 9.
9.
Here we have 9 options into. Now here 0 can come.
10 options.
Yes.
Out of one of these, one we kept here. Forget that one number, whichever it is. And then include 0. So how many options we have here?
9.
9. Total equal to 9 into 9 equal to 81. There are total 81 2-digit numbers. What are they? 10, 11, like that 99. Out of these numbers are not, sorry, 11 is not there. 10, 12, not 98, not 99, 98. In 11, it is repeated. In 99, the digits are repeated. So how many will be there? 10 to 99. How many are there? Starting from 10 till 99. How many digits are there?
18.
89. 89.
89. Or starting from 10 to 99.
Sir, 90.
See, huh?
90.
Including 10, we will get 90, sir.
Including 10, we will get 90.
Yes, sir.
Wait, 11 to 100, 90. Yes, 11 to 100, 90. So forget 100, exclude 100, include 10, 89. Now, how many are there? 11, 89 होगा या एक मिनट देखें 22, 23, 99. These numbers we have not counted.
Yes, sir.
Here it is 9. Star, yeah. Including 10, it is 90, na? Let's see, 11 to 100, how many numbers? 90?
Sir, 90 only, sir. Correct.
11 to 100, how many numbers? 90.
90.
Exclude 100, include 10. 90. So 10 to 99, 10 to 99,
9 multiples of 11.
yes, 90 numbers. Excluding these 9, how many are there?
81.
81. These 81 numbers will get. All this kind of numbers will be 81 when repetition is not allowed. And total 10 to 99. How many are there? 90. So how to count them?
90 minus 9.
When repetition is allowed. See, these numbers are 10, 12, 13, 89, like that. These are total 81. Excluding now. When repetition is allowed, how to count?
9 into 10, sir.
9 into 10. Here 9 options, here 10 options. Whichever number we kept here, same number can come here. So here, this place can be filled in 9 ways, this can be filled in 10 ways. So 9 into 10, product rule. That is 90. It will count all, starting from 10, 11, 12, up to 99. Total are 99. Now, one thing, just notice that first fill up that place where some condition is there. In this place, we can't put all the numbers. We can put only 1 to 9. So fill up that place where there is some restriction. Here 0 cannot come. So just fill up that place where is some restriction. Now come to problems. Once 2 minutes you go through that. Whatever I told you. 2 minutes go through whatever we have discussed. See, in other parts, 1 to 3, repetition is allowed because he is asking total number of even numbers, total number of numbers.
Yes, sir.
So it can be, digits can be repeated. But here specified that repetition is not allowed. Repetition is allowed. We can do this, but we will discuss later, not now. So do it. चलो इसको just think of it and repeat it. At least revise 2 times. Okay. So I am disconnecting now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Lafis, sir.
Love
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.